Hi friends, in this video, we are going to learn how to configure job processing and costing in COSEC. Basic requirements: Matrix COSEC time attendance license, job processing and costing license, COSEC software version V9R1 or above. COSEC job processing and costing application is a web-based solution for organizations working on various projects. This solution allows organizations to track and control project cost and progress efficiently. Organizations can also monitor user-wise time spent on each job and generate project cost reports using various filters. A project can be divided into phases, which can be further divided into jobs. For instance, Project 1 is divided into two phases, Phase 1 and Phase 2. Further, Phase 1 is divided into Job 1 and Job 2, and Phase 2 into Job 3. To complete Phase 1, Job 1 and 2 should be finished within the specific duration. Job 3 should be finished to complete the Phase 2. As soon as Phase 1 and 2 are completed, the project is set to be executed successfully. Let us start with the configuration. We will complete the configuration in 6 steps: cost center configuration, job and job group configuration, phase configuration, project configuration, site mapping and location mapping configuration, job assignment to user. Let us start with first step of cost center and job configuration. A cost center can be a defined task, department, division, or any other unit in an organization for which costs are collected and reported. Creating cost center and associating it with the project allows the management to calculate unit-wise investments on the project. To create a new cost center, go to Job Processing and Costing module, followed by Project Management, followed by Cost Center. ID is the system-generated unique identity assigned to each cost center. Specify a user-friendly name. Mark the cost center as default to assign it to all users by default. Save the configuration. This completes the first step. Let us move on to the second step for job and job group configuration. For job configuration, go to Job under Project Management. Enter a job code and job name to identify the job. Define a start and end job date. Specify a cost center to be assigned to the job. Specify the estimated hours required for completing the job. There can be 3 job status types which denote the completion status of a job. Open indicates that the job is yet to be started as per assigned start date. In progress indicates that the job has been started and is yet to end as per assigned start and end date. Finished indicates that the assigned job duration has ended. To assign a job on a device, ensure that the Show Job menu checkbox is enabled on the device under Device Configuration page for the particular device. Under Assign Devices, select one more devices on which you want to assign the job. Save the job. To assign multiple jobs, we will create job group. To create a new job group, go to Job Group under Project Management. ID is the system-generated unique identity assigned to each job group. Enter a suitable name for the job group. In the Assign Job section, select one or more jobs to be assigned to the job group. Only jobs in open or in progress state, that is, unfinished jobs, can be assigned to a job group. In the Assign Devices section, select one or more devices to be assigned to the job group. The details of any job assigned to this job group will be sent to all the assigned devices. Save the configuration. This completes the second step. Let us move on to the third step for phase configuration. A large project may often be divided into multiple phases for better time and resource management. Hence, a stage or section of a project may be defined as a phase. To create a new phase, go to Project Management followed by Phase. ID is the system-generated unique identity assigned to each phase. Enter a user-friendly name for the new phase. You can also enter an optional description. Save the configuration. This completes the third step. Let us move on to the fourth step for project configuration. A complete project can be divided by creating a hierarchy of underlying phases and jobs. This can be done by either adding existing phases and jobs to the new project or by creating new phases and jobs from this page. To create a new project, go to Project Management followed by Project. Enter a project code and project name to identify the project. Define a start and end date for the project. In phase configuration, user can add phases under the project. Select an existing phase from the list or create a new phase using Add New Phases icon. Once a phase is selected, assign a phase code to it. Add the selected phase to the new project. For job configuration under Phase, select Phase tab in the project page. In the job configuration section, user can add jobs under the phase, select an existing job from the list and create a new job using Add New Jobs icon. Specify the estimated hours for job completion. Add the selected job to the phase. This completes the fourth step. Let us move on to the fifth step for site mapping and location mapping. Site mapping refers to the assignment of multiple jobs as default jobs for a site. To set default jobs for a site, go to Project Management followed by Site Mapping. Select the site from the list followed by Selection of Job. Multiple default jobs can be assigned with non-overlapping assignment date ranges. For enterprise group specific job, select an enterprise group, for example, department, designation, etc. from the list. The enterprise group available for mapping will be decided as per global policy configuration in admin module. Select a job from the list. Once the assignment date range for a job expires, the job will be moved to the previous job assignment section. Location mapping refers to the assignment of multiple jobs as default jobs for a location. In location mapping feature, user will mark attendance using COSEC APTA, and on the basis of available location details, system will map the user to the assigned job configured for that location. Select the location from the list. Location can be configured from the admin module under system configuration. Select the job from the list. This will be the default job assigned to the selected location. This completes the fifth step. Let us move on to the sixth step for assigning a job to the user. For job assignment, go to Users module, followed by User List, and select the user. Go to Job Costing. Select the job assignment type from the list. None. Job costing will be disabled. Fixed. Multiple default jobs can be assigned with non-overlapping assignment date ranges. Device-based job codes are assigned to the user as per device configuration on which user logs in. This completes the final step. Now, when a user punches on the assigned devices, it asks him to select the job. Upon selecting the job, working hours for the selected job starts. To end a job for the day, user has to select none on the device. For example, a user is working on a job having estimated hours as 50. Now, when user starts his job for a day and end job after 3 hours, then job hours calculated are 3. If user works for 5 hours on day 2 on the same job, then total job hours for user in job will be 8 hours. Remaining hours for a job to complete will be 42 hours. Thank you for watching this video. For further queries, please contact Matrix Technical Support Team.